Hey y'all, let's get straight into this video, okay? This is my beginner glam makeup tutorial. Let's start off with my Innisfree Daily Defense sunscreen. This sunscreen has no white cast, so I love it. Now that we got that sunscreen all over my face and neck, I'm going to go in with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You can use any primer. I love this one. So now let's start with our foundation. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the Dewy Smooth in the color Coconut 355. I've literally been using this foundation for 5 years. I swear by it. You'll love it. You can build it so it can be full coverage, and then also you can apply it so that it's a light coverage. When I apply my foundation, I like to, especially if I'm doing a glam look, I want this foundation to be full coverage. So I'm gonna really work it into my skin. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Mocha. I am going to apply that under my eye, down the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna put one little dot on my forehead because I don't like a lot of product on my forehead, and I'm going to apply one little dot on my chin as well because I don't really want my chin to be that pronounced, but I still want it to be noticed. So yeah. This next step is optional. I do like to let my concealer kind of dry a little bit. I find I get way more coverage with my concealer when I do this technique. Now I'm going to blend my concealer. I am using my Royal Lagnical complexion blush. I actually got this from Walmart years ago, and I'm just going to blend out my chin first, simply because I don't want to do it last because it might have product from when I blend under my eye and down the bridge of my nose. So immediately after I blend my concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I've literally been using this powder for 5 years now, and it has never done me wrong, okay? 5 years in the making, and still she has done no wrong. Look and see. Now, using my e.l.f. beauty sponge, I'm going to tap the powder onto the sponge, and I'm going to press the powder into the areas where I applied concealer. I really love how a good baking looks like. I love this part. Now that I have set my concealer, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Studio Finish powder, and I'm going to use this to contour. This is in the shade NW55. I like to go on my forehead, my cheekbones, and my chin and really contour. I don't really use cream contour because I feel like it's kind of harsh, so powder is definitely the way to go for me. Now, using that same NW55 MAC Studio Finish powder, I'm going to use that to contour my nose. Now, I contour my nose a little differently because I love to have a button nose. If you want to have a different type of look you can go ahead and do that. But I personally love the button nose look. And that's the beauty of makeup. You can pretty much do whatever you want. Okay, now we're moving on to blush. Blush is actually one of my favorite parts. This blush that I'm using is from Sephora. I don't know the exact name of it, but as you can see, it's very pink. I love this blush so much. I apply my blush in a downward motion simply because I saw a makeup artist doing this technique one day, and honestly, I was hooked ever since. Now I'm going to prime my eyelids using that same Too Faced concealer. I'm using this method in order to get the color to really pop. Now I'm going to take my Sephora brand blush, and this is in the color 29 Fascinated, and I'm going to use my blush as an eyeshadow. I love using my blushes as eyeshadow simply because I don't own a lot of eyeshadow, and I love the colors that I have in my blush. So now I'm going to apply some mascara. This mascara is from Maybelline and it is called Rocket, and I swear by this mascara. Okay, after I apply my mascara, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in the color medium deep, and I'm going to set my face. I just feel like it wouldn't be a beginner glam if we didn't apply lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these lashes off camera. Now we are gonna do lips, which is my favorite part. This is from NYX and it is in the color Club Hopper. And I'm gonna go ahead and overline my top and bottom lips. I love overlining my lips even though I already have pretty juicy lips, simply because I just feel like it's really sexy. Like, nice plump juicy lips just look so good, and I feel like a lip liner just brings out your lips so much, and I love to make a cute shape to it. So cute. I'm not gonna wear any lipstick, but I am gonna go in with my Too Faced lip injection lip gloss. This is in the color Just a Girl, and this color is so freaking pretty. This is also a lip plumper. So the secret to lip plumpers, I feel like, is to really apply it on the outside of your lips, so that line, because that essentially is what's going to give your lips that plump look. You don't really feel it on your lips per se, but more so on the outlines of your lips. So when you apply it, make sure that you pay close attention to those areas. To finish this look, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Dewy Finish makeup setting spray. I love the dewy look. Some people like the matte look. I love my skin to look healthy, plump, and juicy and shiny. So yeah, guys, and I have to do an outfit change to bring this look together. So